SON stock is sitting right below the 793 level, and this is the key resistance to watch for the next move. Recently, price bounced strongly from the $6 zone and pushed up into resistance, but now it is consolidating just under 793 after facing rejection near 850. The key resistance is 793, then 853 above, while support is sitting at 730 and then 678 below. If SOUN can break and close above 793 with a daily confirmation, we can see a move toward 853. If you want my structured daily execution plan before market open, it is available inside Patreon, link in the description.